Okay, we're going to make the wheels. So new part, standard metric. And then we want to start a new sketch. This time we'll take the right hand side face and we're going to go for a center point circle. So let's go for that. They are 50. That's the outside of our wheel. And we need to, we've still got the circle function, so we can do another one. That's 6, and that's for our axle. So let's extrude that. And we want to extrude that surface. We've got two surfaces here. So we'll just extrude that one because that's just going to be a hole. And they are 19 millimeters. Okay. So that is our wheel. Now I do want to put a rim on this side. So it would be a rim and then the tread. So let's start that. Start a sketch on that face. We want to do a circle to represent our rims. Let's make a low profile. Let's go 40. So that's going to look quite good. Let's finish that. That looks good. So now what we want to do is recess that in. So we press extrude, and this is the extrude direction. That is the other way. And what we can do, rather than extrude and then pick the number, we can put our dimensions in here. So I want to go 2 millimeters inside on that surface. Now that looks pretty cool. What does it look like on the other side? Let's do the same on that. Start sketch on that surface. Let's do a circle. What did we say it was? 40. That's going to look good. Finish that sketch. Let's extrude that again, but recess 2 millimeters. And that's already done it for us. Thank you very much. So that's our wheel. That looks good. That's going to be nice because we're going to be able to have silver in here and black for that. The only thing I want to do now is put a fillet, a small fillet on this edge to represent what it looks like on a real tire. So that is our wheel. And like our bumper bars, we only need to make one because in the assembly phase, we can copy the components 5 times and assemble it. So let's save that as our wheel.